Hi there, students. Outreach. Outreach. Well, firstly, the act of reaching out to get something. Outreach. But we normally use outreach as an uncountable noun to talk about bringing services to people where they live or where they spend their time. So this is not sitting in your office waiting for people to come and get your services or to come and get the information they're looking for. Outreach is when you go and visit people in the community, or to visit them where they are. So, for example, a centre for outreach to homeless people. This is where you go and visit homeless people where they live, under the bridges or wherever, and like that you could bring medical services to them, or you could bring legal services or advice to people. So an outreach worker, an outreach centre. This is bringing your services, your information to people. It's bringing it to the people. It's not having it somewhere else. This is the act of visiting and providing services, a charity, an organisation, to people who might otherwise not have access to those services. So a social outreach service, or social education, a social outreach for education, is offering things to people who don't normally have the opportunity to make use of them. It's got the idea of reaching out to people. An outreach organisation is an organisation that tries to have influence in the community, particularly in the context of social welfare. It's like reaching out to take, or reaching out to give, reaching out to help. So an outreach program, helping people who normally don't have these types of services. An outreach worker, an outreach clinic. Perhaps an outreach clinic is a mobile medical clinic that goes to visit people in areas where they don't normally have access to medicine. Outreach is talking about trying to find people who need help, who need advice, rather than waiting for those people to actually come and visit you and say, I've got a problem. This is to go and visit them where they are, where the problem is. So to outreach, and particularly outreach programs, outreach health clinics, outreach workers. Outreach work to young people who are in danger. So you're going to a particular place where there is a problem to offer your services. You're offering what you provide, but in the community, beyond the conventional limits. So, for example, a mobile library is effectively an outreach project. It's offering books to people who may not normally have access to a library. Educational outreach to illiterate adults. You're offering this to particular segments of the community. So you're looking for appropriate people, trying to persuade them that this is helpful to them. Let's see, outreach can also just mean to reach beyond. So demand has outreached supply and the price has gone up. Or the boxer outreached his opponent and beat him like this. But outreach is normally talking about trying to bring services or information to the people rather than sitting and just waiting for them to come to you. So outreach, formality. I think I would use this word particularly for charities and things like that. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then the origin is just, well, you are reaching out. You're reaching out. You're offering help. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outreach.